Hello and welcome back to the Canonical reference. Today I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF file into a Word file. New method. It's very easy and quick. You don't have to find any converter or any other thing. You have to install any app. It's just a 2-second thing. And to your surprise, I will give you a method which can do a wonder. Suppose you have an Independence Day speech. Your son or daughter wrote an Independence Day speech and it has some grammatical mistake, and you want this to you want to correct these grammatical mistakes, and so you want to convert it to a Word file to correct that grammatical mistake. But what if I told you this Independence Day speech, which is in PDF format and also has some grammatical mistake? What if I told you you can do two shots in one, means ek teer se do nishan? So let us move on. I'll show you how to do it. I suppose you have heard this Chat GPT, and this Chat GPT does wonders. So let us do it. So you have to go to the Chat GPT, and here you are finding attach file. So just attach files and click on upload from the computer. So I have PDF independent speech, so I'll attach it, and now I am writing here, please convert to editable Word file, also correct grammatical mistakes. I'm writing some spelling mistakes there, so no worries, it will understand automatically. So let us click on send. So here is your corrected independent speech. Corrections are made, adjusted grammar, punctuation and sentence flow, corrected spelling errors, conversion to Word format. So it's analyzing. It'll give you the correct file with correct with correct grammar and with the editable Word file. What you need is download the corrected speech. Your corrected Independence Day speech has been converted into an editable Word document. You can download it using the link. So let's open the link. So independent file name is also the Chat GPT is giving us. So it has made our life so much easier. It has really made us life so much easier. So just look at this file. Good morning. Today we have all gathered. So let's open this PDF file first. So which needs to be corrected, and just compare. So I have already highlighted the grammatical mistake. Today we all gather. So it has ChatGPT given as we have all gathered to celebrate the Independence Day of our beloved country. So second is, so who have given their life. So here it's a grammatical mistake there. So it should be THIRE. So let us check whether it has given who gave their lives so that live freely today. So it has done almost everything perfectly. So here, be grateful for their dedication to our country. So let's look at here, be grateful for their dedication. So that here it was for grateful, it was double L there, and here it is corrected to single L. Great. Okay, very nice. And next, move on. So responsibilities as citizens. So there is a spelling mistake in responsibility. So let us look here. So yes, responsibilities. Totally, I have highlighted there was a 13 grammatical mistakes. So everything was perfectly corrected by ChatGPT. So in one shot, I have done two things, two big works I have done. First of all, it has converted to Word. Also, it has given me a correct grammatical and correct grammar. So I need not worry about editing all. So this is the power of ChatGPT. So you can also use it. So if you like this video, do subscribe and share the channel. Thank you.